Blech.
It's a Teletubby. Sorry. Can I say that again?
Guillermo Rauch.
I'm Lee.
I'm Jared Palmer.
I'm Delba de Oliveira.
I'm Lydia Helly.
What is Vercel?
My first thought when I was starting a company was, how do I create a top-notch website that's really fast and uses the latest technologies? But I felt like I needed to take a PhD, just putting the compilers and tools and infrastructure together. And I just want to create a website really quickly to share my ideas with the world. And when I found out that was so hard and so challenging, I decided to create a platform so that no one would have that problem again.
What cliché programming word do you overuse?
Orthogonal.
Lately, I've been using mental model.
Abstraction, indirection, so many. Layers of indirection. Orthogonal. Orthogonal as well, for sure. Totally overused across the industry.
Blazing fast. What is your favorite meme?
Oh, I make my own memes, but they're too sassy to share.
Anything from Jared Palmer's Twitter account.
I like Obama congratulating himself. That one's good. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. That one's good too.
Why build on the web?
I think the web is a platform for freedom, first and foremost. I think there are other great platforms out there, but none like the web in the ability to empower everybody in the world to connect and distribute information through hyperlinks.
Because the web is ours, belongs to all of us. It is one of humanity's greatest inventions, and we are its stewards, and that is something that we should take seriously.
It's the world's most open platform. It has an unparalleled deployment model. You can push a change and have it be live on the next request.
With the web, you just have great SEO. Like, you can build a product and you can instantly reach millions of people if it becomes successful, because everyone has access to the web, which is amazing.
What makes a great developer experience?
I think in addition to having great defaults, minimizing latency so that the user retains their focus. We tend to, at least speaking for myself, as an engineer, losing focus can be detrimental to your company, your team. So I like to invest in things that give me a great feedback loop with very low latency.
Minimal latency between keystrokes and feedback. Error messages that incrementally take you towards the solution.
A great developer experience makes it as easy as possible to get started, but not only thinks about the happy path, also when things go wrong.
Feeling like you can iterate fast, easy to debug, good documentation, very important. Yeah, that's about it.
When I go to a web page for a tool or a library, and I know exactly what they do. You'd be surprised how many tools out there don't really tell you what they actually do.
I think great developer experience is a servant to great user experience. And so for me, a great developer experience is something that means that the right thing and the easy thing are the same thing. So things like progressive enhancement and accessibility being defaults for the tools that I'm using, performance optimizations being out of the box, end-to-end type safety so that I don't ship bugs to production. And if I do make a mistake, errors that guide me towards a solution. These are all the tenets of a good developer experience in my book.
What is your favorite color?
Black.
The hex code is 000000.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Dogs.
Cats.
Cats, I have two.
Dogs.
Smart dogs or orange cats?
Tailwind or CSS modules?
Tailwind.
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 Neither.
Tailwind.
Postgres or MySQL?
Postgres.
Postgres.
Both.
Postgres.
Postgres.
Mongo.
Spaces or tabs?
Spaces. Or sometimes I change my mind, but mostly spaces.
Whatever Prettier does.
Tabs.
Whatever Prettier does.
Tabs.
Tabs. Come on.
NeoVim or VS Code?
NeoVim, for sure.
VS Code.
VS Code.
VS Code.
VS Code.
VS Code.
New York or San Francisco?
San Francisco, not even close.
New York or nowhere.
Iowa. No, just kidding. San Francisco.
New York.
New York.
London.
Light mode or dark mode?
System. So variable dynamic.
System.
Dark mode, except when coding on a beach or near a pool in the sun.
Dark mode.
Light mode.
Light mode for my body, dark mode for my soul.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
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 Both.
Coffee.
Coffee in the morning, tea in the afternoon.
Remote or in person?
In person.
Both?
Oh, remote, yeah.
Remote.
Both.
I like people, but I also really like being at home. Remote.
How will AI change your job as a developer?
I think it emphasizes this need for focusing on products first, because AI technologies are very quickly becoming democratized. AI used to be something that was really hard to accomplish as a company. You need a lot of machine learning experts and all kinds of ML operations folks. Nowadays, you have all these open APIs that run incredible reasoning machines at scale. So your opportunity now is to integrate those and present those to customers and consumers.
Anything I say in answer to this question is going to be hilariously out of date 12 months from now. But I would guess that based on the experiences that I've had with AI so far, it's going to enable me to move a lot quicker as a developer. AI is going to find my mistakes for me, and it's going to open pull requests, and it's just going to do all of the drudge work that I currently can't be bothered to do.
What's your favorite emoji?
Right now, it's fire on fire. It's literally our Slack has a fire that's on fire. So when something's really good, it's fire on fire.
Dead, it's a Teletubby dramatically fainting.
I think my favorite emoji is probably Elmo Fire. This emoji is great because half of the people who see it think that it's a bad thing and half of them think it's a good thing. Either Elmo is like mad that he's on fire or it's like a celebration that everything's on fire and good. For me, it's a good thing. It's like a happy emoji.
Okay, awesome.
Awesome.
All right.
Great job.
Thank you.